Students, I hope you all will be fine. Okay, dear students, kindly take out your English literature notebook. Today we will do question answers in the notebook. Yesterday we have done word sentences and today we will do question answers of unit number 1. So, get ready for the written work. Write down date like this, see work, Wednesday, and date should be here, okay? Today is 15/7/20. Write very neatly, very accurate work, okay? Write down like this. Today is Wednesday, see work, and the date is 15/7/20. So now give the heading of Q U E S T I O N. Question. Give the heading of question like this. QUESTION question. A small slash and write answers. ANSWERS. Like this. Okay. Question number 1 is, give the heading of question answers like this. Now write question number 1. Write with the margin line word WHAT word. Write very neatly. Word, one finger gap. No sound, why? My sound is clear now? बढ़िया अब आवाज आ रही है मेरी? Okay, give one finger gap and write word WERE. Word. Yes, Mohammed Basim, do you want to ask question? Unmute yourself, please. Basim, do you want to ask something?
मैम
जी बोले.
मैम ये वर्ड सेंटेंसेस के बाद लिखें.
जी वर्ड सेंटेंसेस के बाद है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
Okay, what were one finger gap what were the two what were the two? If you don't have space, you can go to the next line. What were the two little LITTLE? Little. What were the two little one finger gap kittens? KITTENS. What were the two little kittens doing? DOING. Doing. Question mark. What were the two little kittens doing? Okay, Atif Shehzad, do you want to ask something? Unmute yourself, please. Atif Shehzad. What were the two little kittens doing? WHAT word, WERE word, THE the, TWO2, LITTLE little, K-I-T-T-E-N-S, kittens. D-O-I-N-G, doing. What were the two little kittens doing? Now write down the answer with me. A-N-S, answer. Write with the margin line. They, T-H-E-Y. They. What were they doing? Raise your hands. What were the two little... Beta Bariya, check your internet connection. Hanfa Hamid, unmute yourself and answer me, what were the two little kittens doing? What were the two little kittens doing? No one knows the answer? They were...
No, ma'am.
Okay. They were... One finger gap. Two little kittens क्या कर रहे थे? One stormy night, the two little kittens began to quarrel and then to fight. They were quarreling. Fight कर रहे थे ना वो. One finger gap. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L-I-N-G. Quarreling. It means fighting. They were quarreling means fighting. Bariya, still no sound? आपको अब आवाज़ आ रही है? Just wave your head if you can hear me. अब आवाज़ आ रही है मेरी? बरिया, आपको मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? Bariya, can you hear me now? Bariya, I think it's आपके मोबाइल में कोई प्रॉब्लम है. Kindly check it out. Okay, all of you have done question number 1. Done question number 1. Okay, now question number 2. Give us leave one line and write number 2. Write with the margin line word W-H-A-T word. One finger gap. Was. What was. One finger gap. The. What was the. One finger gap. Purpose. P-U-R-P-O-S-E. What was the purpose of. If you don't have space, you can go to the next line. What was the purpose of their. What was the purpose of their. T-H-E-I-R. Their. What was the purpose of their fight? FIGHT fight. वो लोग क्यों लड़ रहे थे आपस में? Who will answer me? What was the purpose of their fight? Why they were fighting with each other? Yes, Muhammad Basim, answer me. Unmute yourself, please. Muhammad Basim, what was the purpose of their fight? Why they were fighting with each other? Ashar Shiraz, yes, answer me. Unmute yourself. What was the purpose of their fight?
They were fighting because one had a mice and the other had nothing.
Very good. One had a mice and the other had nothing. Very good, Ashar. Very good. Excellent. Keep it up. Okay, now write down the answer with me. The answer of question number 2 is, write with the margin line, the THE, the one finger gap, purpose, PURPOSE, the purpose of of, give one finger gap between each word, the purpose of their, 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 the purpose of their fight. Go to the next line. The purpose of their fight, one finger gap, was, the purpose of their fight was, one finger gap, that, 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 a small comma, the purpose of their fight was, that, one, ONE, one. Don't use the last line, okay? Because when you use the last line, your work look very untidy. So don't use the last line. Leave the last line and go to the next page. What was the question? What was the purpose of their fight? The purpose of their fight was that one. Yes, Ashar. Do you want to ask something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then why you are raising your hand, beta? Should I turn the page? Okay, all of you have done. The purpose of their fight was that. Go to the next page. I'm not going to use this page because फिर आप लोग को प्रॉपरली नज़र नहीं आएगा. आप लोग उससे नेक्स्ट पेज ही यूज़ करोगे, ठीक है? आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस पेज so that you can see the page very clearly, okay? One finger gap, them, one of them had, one finger gap had, one of them had a mice, 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 one of them had a mice. Go to the next line, and one finger gap, and the THE, the, one finger gap, other, 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 one finger gap, had, one had a mouse and the other had nothing. NOTHING. One had a mouse and the other had nothing. Full stop. Yes, who wants to ask question? Mohammed Basim, unmute yourself and ask what you want to ask.
मैम ये दूसरा पेज कर दें और मैम ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के बाद जो एक लाइन छोड़नी है।
जी बिल्कुल, एक लाइन छोड़नी है ताकि आप लोग का काम नीट आ सके। ओके
ओके मैम, वो जरा दूसरा पेज जरा दिखाएं।
चले देख लें यहाँ पे। मैं दोबारा से
मैम 1 मिनट बाद
ओके ओके। What were the two little kittens doing? They were quarreling. What was the purpose of their fight? The purpose of their fight was that one had a mouse and the other had nothing. Yes, Razia Fahim. Unmute yourself if you want to ask something. Razia, जी
मैम आप ये पिक्चर सर्च करेंगी?
जी बिल्कुल, मैं सेंड करूँगी पिक्चर्स बेटा।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
Welcome. All of you have done this page? Ashar, Emal Ghani, Baria, kindly show me your notebooks if you have done this. Emal, you are still doing? Ashar, very good, Ashar. Very good. Excellent work. Ashar, when you come back to school, I will give you a chocolate, okay? Because आपने सबसे पहले काम किया है। Okay, Farhal. Very good. Farhal is second. Ashar is first. Farhal is second. Abdullah, Hanfa. Hanfa is third. Baria, very good. Very good. Okay. Okay, Hanfa Hamid. Muhammad Basim. Basim, kindly turn on your video so that I can check your work. Yes, anyone who wants to ask question? Basim, Ishmal. Ishmal, do you want to ask something? Do this page, okay? This is a part of question number 2.
नेक्स्ट पेज
कर दिया है बेटा?
नेक्स्ट पेज कर दूं। एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Yes.
मैम प्लीज टर्न पेज। मैम प्लीज टर्न द पेज।
टर्न कर लिया बेटा, टर्न कर लिया।
ये मैम दूसरा पेज।
कौन सा, पहले वाला?
ये मैम दूसरा पेज। नहीं
बेटा, now you are teasing me, okay? That's not fair.
मैम इससे अगला वाला। मैम आगे वाला।
अब सही है? बेटा, टाइम इज ओवर, ओके? हरी अप। Tomorrow, inshallah, we will do Question number 3. Okay, dear students, it was about today's work. I will send you the picture of this work in the WhatsApp group. Those who are offline and those who have net issues, so then you can copy from that, okay? WhatsApp से आप लोग copy कर सकते हैं. So take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay safe.